Hey guys, I hope you are warmed up and ready for work. Now please all your attention to our second workout. This is our workout of the day, our big circuit. I know it might look a little bit intimidating, but believe me, it's very doable. Same as before, we work on time, starting from 30 seconds for the first round, 40 seconds for second and third round, and 20 seconds for the fourth round. All exercises we do in a row one by one with a small break in between. We have 16 exercises and you should know most of them by now. Ski jumps. You can use any long object as a reference to jump over it. Try to land softly on the ball of your feet. If you're struggling with normal ski jumps, you can do easier version. This is also acceptable. Burpee to jump forward. This is very cool combination of exercises. You can use modified burpee. Also you can adjust the length of your hop. Try and practice this move a few times before you start the workout. Push-ups. Oh, we have already done many different kinds of push-ups, so just do it.
Come on.
High knee skips. Well, this exercise is sort of a crossbreed between power step-ups and high knees. Imagine a red hood that is walking through the forest with her grandma. This is how you should look. A red hood. Very, very fit red hood. Yep, something like this. Cycling twist. Right knee to left elbow, left knee to right elbow. You can choose your pace, but don't forget to exhale every time you twist. Round lifts. You will need a canister of water, a dumbbell or any other weight that you use. You start from resting it on one leg and then draw a nice big circle around you and put it on the other leg. Try to keep your arms straight and exhale every time you lift. Easier version is to start from the waistline and to keep your arms slightly bended. Quick feet. We have done it before. You can imagine like you're standing on a hot pan and trying not to burn your feet. In other words, you have to move your feet as fast as possible, up and down without trying to bring your knees up high. Power step-ups. You can think about it as about jumping with using only one leg. Try to be explosive and land softly on the front part of your foot. Jack press. Remember the pattern. On 1, you shoot the weight up and open your legs. On 2, you bring everything back. You exhale on 1, you inhale on 2. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Floor polish. You will need your small carpet or a towel. Don't forget that with an exhale you bring your knees up and with an inhale you push your legs back. As an alternative, you can do a mountain climber or knee to elbow. Don't forget to exhale every time you bring your knee up. Bend over straight lift. Try to keep your back neutral or straight, and with an exhale and straight arms, bring the weight up above the head. If that feels uncomfortable in your shoulders, simply reduce the amplitude. Bounce to crossover. There's not much to add here, just try and practice this move a few times before you start the workout. Tricep dips. Just to remind you, you inhale on the way down, you exhale when you press yourself up. The further your feet are from the chair, the more challenging it is. The closer they are, the easier it is. Shoulder circle flies. Try to keep your arms straight and moves nice and controlled. Also, don't forget to test and prepare your equipment before you start the workout. Butterfly sit-ups. Keep your hands behind your head, and in upright top position after you finish a sit-up, try to squeeze your shoulder blades and round your chest forward. It helps to spread your elbows out and back. Another easier version is to keep your arms crossed on the chest and spread your arms in a top upright position. Same time, try to squeeze your shoulder blades and round your chest forward. Alternate knee to elbow. Starting from the all-4 position, you bring your right elbow to left knee and left elbow to your right knee. Same time, you try to maximum curve your back when your knee and elbow meet and bend it back in a top position. Exhale every time you lift. That's the workout, guys. Please keep the spreadsheet in front of you so you don't forget the order of the exercises. Practice those exercises that you're not very familiar with a few times before you start the workout and have fun. I'll see you soon.